What I'm doing here is doing several master classes and performing a recital and also performing with the Tamik Trombone Choir under the direction of Professor Diaz.
Yeah, he's one of our idols. He is a trombone legend is what he is. When I decided to become a trombone professor, one of the things I've always wanted to do was when I had students to bring him and to let him share his wisdom, his knowledge, everything that he's done in the past probably 30 or 40 years that he's been, playing professionally.
To have him here teaching us, giving master classes for us, playing with him, it's kind of surreal. I'm meeting my hero.
Part of, the music world is to give back and to share techniques and ideas with students. I can tell you that what's going on here in Kingsville in this particular studio is absolutely phenomenal.